Welcome to our video fundraiser. Our presenting sponsor this year is Home Instead, and we're just so grateful for their support. Please enjoy this video. Salem Free Clinics is amazing. The care we provide people who don't have access to health care strengthens people's lives and pours hope into our city. Salem Free Clinics' mission is to provide quality, compassionate health care at no cost to the uninsured in our community as an expression of Christ's love. We see patients at our main clinic on Broadway in downtown Salem and two satellite clinics, one in Dallas, the Polk Community Free Clinic, and Salem Free Counseling Clinic here in Salem. We provide free medical, dental, and counseling care for those that need us. Care is free because of generous financial supporters and our over 300 volunteers. Just this year in 2021, we've had 12 healthcare providers join our team. These are doctors, physician's assistants, nurse practitioners, and they enable us to see the patients that we see. We couldn't do this without you. Listen to these inspiring patient stories told to you by our volunteers and staff.
My husband and I lost our jobs because of COVID. I never thought we would be in this situation. We are both older, and finding new jobs isn't going to be easy. We know we can't afford health insurance right now, and we didn't know what we were going to do, as we both have to take daily medications. We went through our entire savings paying for medical expenses, and then someone told us about Salem Free Clinics. The services are free. I can't believe it. Thank you for being here for people like us.
I came to Salem Free Clinics for a medical need, and then the doctor asked if I would be interested in being referred to counseling. I was reluctant to say yes, but I did, and when I met my counselor at the Salem Free Counseling Clinic, within a few minutes, I knew this was the right thing to do for myself. After a few sessions with my counselor, I feel like I'm handling things in my life so much better. I am thankful to have this opportunity for counseling because I wouldn't be able to pay the costs, which are high, to go anywhere else. Thank you for helping me with my medical needs, and now with my counseling needs as well.
I have been in great pain for about 6 months. I don't have money to pay for 2 extractions that I need. I'm 94 years old and my Medicare barely covers my expenses, so there's no room for an $800 dental expense. When I heard about Salem Free Clinics and their dental clinic that provides services for free, I actually didn't believe it. As I sat in the lobby talking with Nurse Judy, I asked how much I would owe the clinic, and when Judy said it was free, I started to cry because I couldn't believe it. It really is free. Thank you to the wonderful dental team who helped me out of pain.
I've been coming to Salem Free Clinics for my diabetes, and each time I come, I am prayed for by Geraldina. She speaks Spanish, so I understand her clearly. She gives me so much hope. When I'm with her, she shares God's word with me, encouraged me to read the Bible for myself. She even gave me a Bible to take home. When Geraldina prays for me, it helps me even though I am experiencing a serious situation. I am thankful for Salem Free Clinics and your Spanish-speaking volunteers.
I've been to the emergency department several times in the last few months, but they didn't want me to come back because they couldn't provide the type of care I needed. So I called Polk Community Free Clinic and they scheduled me for the next week. I was feeling terrible and knew something was very wrong because my legs were very swollen and I could hardly walk. I'm so thankful for the care I received at the clinic. Everyone was so gracious, and the provider really listened to me and then prescribed a medicine that has made a major difference. My condition wasn't an emergent one, which was why the emergency department wasn't able to help me, but the Dallas clinic has been a blessing to me.
These are just a few of the many stories that we hear at Salem Free Clinics, and we are just so blessed by the volunteers that make these stories happen. Without them, we wouldn't see patients. So here's a few of our volunteers sharing with you why they volunteer at our clinics.
One of the main reasons why I really enjoy volunteering for Polk Community Free Clinic is just their passion to serve people in the community. I know that there's a large minority population here and a lot of people who might not have insurance, that need health care, and I just see the passion that everyone has here.
That's what brings me joy, is that these people have absolutely no access to care, but we can provide it for them.
It's humbling also to discover the level of need in our communities for underserved populations, and rewarding to be a part of helping those people.
When they come up to you and said, "You remember when you prayed for me, this and this and this happened," and we just love doing that. We love hearing that. So.
These stories aren't made possible without supporters like you. Every day, we have patients who walk through our doors who need Salem Free Clinics, need our volunteer doctors, our volunteer nurses, volunteer interpreters, need our services, whether it's medical, dental, or counseling. But none of that is possible without financial support. So today, I would like to ask you, advocators of Salem Free Clinics, Polk Community Free Clinic, and Salem Free Counseling Clinic, to join our mission and make a generous donation to the uninsured in our community. If you're able to, consider making a sustaining gift. This donation makes a monthly impact and makes sure that we can keep our doors open month after month. You can also make a one-time gift, any amount, $5, $50, $500. Your investment makes a huge difference. With your financial support, we can continue to provide free, quality, compassionate health care for those in our community with nowhere else to go. Thank you for your support.